Today I'm going to try out this Spectracide Fire Ant Shield Mound Destroyer. Says for use on fire ant mounds, money back guarantee. Deep reaching formula, starts to kill in minutes, kills the queen and colony. You guys been here in the South, you know you don't want these on you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir these things up and I'm going to show you what they look like. Then we're going to put this on it and I'm going to come back in the morning. We're going to see if it killed them or not. All right, I've got the granules on the mound. Let's come back in the morning because there's millions in this one. See if it got them. See you in the morning. Well guys, it's been about 23 hours since I put these granules on this mound. Gonna see if it works. Let me remind you real quickly what it looked like yesterday. All right, here's the deal. I'm just going to stick my hands in there and see if I get bit. No ants, they're gone. Picked this up at Home Depot. I think it's a little less than $4, so if you're needing to quickly get rid of a mound of fire ants, you might try this Spectracide Fire Ant Shield Mound Destroyer. Hey, I hope this helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.